In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a portfolio on Behance. First, go to Behance website. Once you're there, hover your mouse over the profile icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, click on Behance Profile. If you're looking to create a full portfolio website, you can also use Adobe Portfolio by upgrading your plan. However, you can still showcase a lot of your work directly on your Behance profile. Once you're on your profile page, make sure you're in the Work section. This section allows you to create projects and showcase the type of work you do. Scroll down and click on Create a Project. This will allow you to begin building your portfolio. You'll see that you can add different types of content to the screen, including images, text, videos, and more. Begin by uploading examples of the type of work you do. If you specialize in graphic design, you can import your work as image files. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose video and upload a file from my device. You can click above or below the content to add additional elements like text or grid layouts. Click on Text and start typing a description of the work. You can also adjust the alignment and size of your text as needed. If your file is large, wait for the upload to complete. On the right-hand side, you'll see more options to add additional videos, images, embedded code, 3D models, or other elements. When you've added all your content, scroll down and click on Continue. Next, give your project a title that describes the type of work it is. You can also add project tags to help your work appear in search results. Then scroll down and select the tools or materials you use to create the project. Choose the appropriate category for your work. If you don't see it listed, click on View All Fields to see more categories. You'll also need to set your project's visibility, either public or private. Then, upload a project cover image or thumbnail. Click on Upload Image. Select a file from your device and crop it if necessary. Once you've completed all the required steps, click on Publish. Your newly added project will now appear in your portfolio, and that's how you can create a portfolio on Behance.